Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TELUS Optik TV remote volume problems. So a lot of people don't realize that the TELUS Optik TV remote usually controls the Optik TV box and the TV volume separately. So here, if the remote loses TV pairing, the channel buttons may still work while the volume buttons stop responding completely. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to take care or you need to take a look at the remote batteries. So the weak batteries often affect the volume control first because TV control commands use different signal functions. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply remove the old batteries, and then you just have to simply wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Afterwards, you need to install the fresh batteries carefully before testing the volume again. Now you can also try pairing the remote with the TV again. For that, you need to first of all press the OK button and the TV button. So after doing this, you just have to simply press both of these buttons until the LED light changes the behavior. Then you need to follow the TELUS pairing instructions for the specific TV model. Sometimes the incorrect pairing is one of the biggest reasons why the volume buttons fail. Now, if you use any kind of sound bars or AV receivers or HDMI ARC connections, the volume signal may be routed incorrectly. So you need to enable the HDMI CEC ARC inside the TV settings if it is available. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.